Once upon a time, high up in the sky, the colors of the rainbow gathered for a meeting. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, each vibrantly displayed their unique qualities, basking in the beauty they brought to the world. Today, however, their conversation took a different turn. "I am the best," boasted Red, his shade as bold as ever. "I am the color of passion and love, the very essence of bravery. Without me, roses would lose their charm, and sunsets would be dull." "Huh," challenged Orange. "I am the hue of happiness and warmth. Without me, the world would miss its sweetest fruits like oranges and pumpkins." Yellow chuckled, adding, "Bananas, sunflowers. Need I say more? Without my bright shine, the sun wouldn't have its glow." Green, always calm and serene, said, "Well, nature chose me. I color the trees, the grass, and the very earth that sustains all life." Blue, cool and collected, remarked, "I color the sky and the ocean. I bring peace and tranquility wherever I spread. Imagine a world without the skies and seas." Indigo, often subtle yet intriguing, said, "I represent the deep sea and the infinite depths of midnight. Without me, mystery and the unknown wouldn't excite the imagination." Violet, gentle and wise, concluded, "And I color the rarest flowers and the morning mist. I bring creativity and spiritual meaning to life." Their debate grew louder, each insisting they were the most important. The sky rumbled as thunderclouds gathered, signaling the chaos their disagreement had wrought. But as the storm approached, an unexpected voice intervened. A humble breeze whispered, "Why do you quarrel, O colors of beauty? A single thread alone cannot create a masterpiece." The colors paused, considering. The breeze continued, "When you unite, you form the rainbow bridge, a symbol of harmony, hope, and promise. It is as a bridge that the world views your true glory, not alone, but together." Realizing their folly, the colors intertwined, each blending into the next, forming a radiant rainbow arching across the sky. The storm clouds parted, revealing a breathtaking sight as every color shone in unity. From that day forward, the colors understood the strength and beauty of togetherness. Thus, they never quarreled again, creating wonders every time they joined forces, reminding the world of the power of unity and diversity.